Today's a celebration of love, of commitment, of friendship, of family.
And today, I'm truly honored to be sharing this moment here with them. Angelica, you look absolutely amazing in your dress, and I am truly happy for the both of you.
See, love is just not shown with acts of forgiveness. For me, the most important form of love you can have with someone is to include them in things that you love and enjoy.
You have come here to share in this commitment that they are about to make to one another, to offer your love and support to this union, and to allow Jonathan and Angelica to start their married life together, surrounded by people who are dearest and most important to them. So welcome.
But Angelica, we're so proud of you, really. Your Nana and Tata would have been happy. Artie, the Orea family.
That's Angelica. She is so beautiful and caring and kind. I'm so glad she came because this man was wild. I'm gonna tell you, he was wild.
By the power vested in me and through the state of Florida, I officially pronounce that they are husband and wife. And Jonathan, you may kiss your beautiful bride. I now present to you for the first time, Mr. and Mrs. Williams.
But trust me, nothing is perfect, and if it's that bad, that means it's worth having. And I'm glad that I'm here for your journey.
You both met 4 years ago, not realizing that forever was planned. Love drew you together, and love is what brings us here.
So, no bouquet toss tonight. Instead, I want to dedicate my bouquet to my mom.
You are selfless, you are strong, and I can only hope that I'm half the woman you are.
Saying ooh, la la, oh my, say what? Say ooh, la la. I think it's time to move. Left to right, show me what you moving like. Ooh, feeling right, keep it moving side to side. Ooh, roll the dice. Oh, you wanna try? Ooh, left to right. Hey, it's time to slide. Move, left to right, show me what you moving like. Ooh, feeling right, keep it moving side to side. Ooh, roll the dice. Oh, you wanna try? Ooh, left to right. Hey, it's time to slide. Hey, one time. Hey, two times. Hey, oh my, keep it moving side to side. Hey, one time. Hey, two times. Hey, oh my, keep it moving side to side.
May God bless your life together. May your life be filled with laughter, love, and endless happiness.